Hello Tabbers, my name is Mark. Welcome to my 2015 Max S trailer. This is Tic Tac. It's in winter storage now, and I'm just going through my list of maintenance things that need to be taken care of. I have something really short for you today. Many of you recognize, maybe not my tabletop, but you recognize this. This is a Lagun style table mount. My wife and I, we just got back from a month-long trip in this trailer, and we use this a lot. I love this. This table moves all around. But I'm noticing some things, and if you have a Lagun mount yourself, you may have noticed this. Maybe you haven't noticed it yet, but I want to give you a little heads up and some preventive maintenance for you. I've started to notice that when I swing this, you hear that sound? It used to be really, really smooth, but now it kind of jerks and moves. Now I understand that there are locks, you can lock it down, but neither one of these are locked down, but it still struggles. So let me show you what I found. I'm going to lift my table up and I'm going to turn it over, and you're going to see in here and underneath here is a pin, a plastic coated pin that sticks up inside the mount. Let me show you that. Okay, so here we are. This is the hole that this pin goes in. I've turned the table upside down. And if you look here and you take your finger on that, you see that? That plastic is starting to wear away. As this thing spins in here, it's just plastic on plastic, and you can see the plastic powder that's coming off. So what's happening is that this pin and this plastic, they're wearing away, they're wearing down. That's not good, because eventually this table will become really wobbly and bouncy and stuff because this pin will have worn out. So what I've got for you today, this is a birthday cake candle. Any candle. It's wax. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this wax and I'm going to rub it on this pin, and inside that hole, not the blue stuff from this side, but the white stuff, any candle you've got. I'm just going to wipe this down. This wax will act as a lubricant, smooth this action up a whole lot, and keep this plastic from wearing down. I suspect I'll need to do that every 6 months or so, but I'm going to go ahead and just start this so you can see how this works. It's just like coloring with a crayon. Just and round and round. Just go all around the pin, and inside there, just stick your candle down inside and rub inside there. Then take this guy off, lift him off, and do the same with that and the same in there. I'll put it back together and you'll see how smooth it runs after this. Be right back. Okay, we're back. Now, you can see the wax that's on there, and let me get some detail here. I put wax on the surface of this and down in the hole. I put wax on the surface of this and on the post. So now when these go together, wow, slick and smooth. like new. I like it. Let's put this other one. We're back. It is all lubed up. Look at that. Look at how smooth that operates. I mean, this thing just spins. Very, very nice. No more grinding sound, none of that. You can pull that tight, lock it down, locks down like it did before, but no more grinding sound, no more of that plastic on plastic. So this is Lagun table mount lubrication. You might want to try that before you get too many years on your Lagun mount bearings, because I suspect that they will just continue to wear and get looser and looser and looser, and next thing you know, your table's not going to be stable anymore. But I like it a lot. That thing is way cool. Moves much easier. I suspect that this will work for about 6 months or so. May have to reapply after that. And the nice thing about it is that the wax doesn't get anywhere. It's not like a grease. It's not going to get on your clothes or anything. And if you don't like how it works, clean it off with alcohol. Pretty straightforward. So there you go. Pretty short one. Lagun table mount lubrication. Take care. See you on the road.